Everyone slept in slides. Everyone slept in slides. It's fun, but also not fun. It hurts.
It's fun in the car.
Slipping, sliding in the car, drifting around the corners. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's so cool. Came all the way up here right now.
Where's fun here?
Wow. Look at those plants. I don't know what you call them. Goes all around top of us. That's awesome. Are you really that thirsty for a beer? Check this out.